floor plans, and I wanted to give you a little tour and show you how great of a floor plan this is. So come on in with me. So I'm here in the foyer, and the Briarwood is a first floor master plan that we spent a lot of time to pack a whole lot of value into an attractive price. So it truly is probably our most affordable first floor master plan, but also has a lot of great features. Right off the foyer here, we have the stairs going to the 2 bedrooms upstairs, which is a great feature of the floor plan. And up front, it features a bedroom that could become an office, or could be your 3rd bedroom. Nice views of the street there. And we got a great powder room right off the foyer here as well. So now we'll head into what I truly think is the great part of the Briarwood. This home is not even 2,100 square feet, but as we walk into the great room here, you can see it really shows like a big home. Big galley, open concept kitchen, dining area, and a large great room, all packed into a pretty attractive package. So as I mentioned earlier, the Briarwood is a first floor master, so it's great for aging in place. This first floor master bedroom has nice vaulted ceiling, humongous walk-in closet, and a really nice bathroom. So I wanted to spend a little more time with you chatting about the kitchen here in the Briarwood. This is a recent model change we did. All the trends today are going to the really open floor plan, so this is our galley kitchen option for the Briarwood. We do still have the standard kitchen, which is a little more separated, but all the design trends today are to open up this kitchen with a giant island and truly make cooking a part of the family, and so you can have people in the great room and then still be entertaining in the kitchen as well. Honey, I'm home. Hey, all kidding aside though, I'm here off the garage entry. Really nice direct access to the kitchen. A huge walk-in closet off the garage for all your clothes and shoes and stuff. And then a really nice laundry room, including a laundry sink and cabinet. So now we're down in the basement of the plan. Standing next to something I'm really proud of. A tankless hot water heater is standard with Pro Build, no giant tank to deal with. Some other cool things about our basements. As you can see, even though this is an unfinished basement, the fact that we do paint on the floor and the walls really makes it almost living space. Also, first floor master plan equals gigantic basement, so plenty of space here for storage, future rec room, really a good value. So to wrap up the tour, I'm here in the garage. 2-car garage is standard on the Briarwood, but we can always expand that to a 3rd car for you. Also, some cool things that are standard with Pro Build, upgrades with most other builders, is a floor drain in the garage, hot and cold water in the garage. We use insulated garage doors, and the garage door automatic opener and all the clickers are included. And that sort of wraps up the tour of the Briarwood. I want to thank you for sharing it with me. And just remember, if you want to tour this specific home, we did just recently put it under contract, but for the next 45 days or so we could show it to you, and we'd love to be your builder.